Hello, this is Merida from SINOMADA, China Limited. Today we come to SUNWARD factory to introduce a mini excavator to you, SW135UF. It is a mini-sized excavator. Its operating weight is 3.5 tons and its bucket capacity is 0.25 cbm and its max digging capacity is 4.9 meters, and it is very popular with American and European markets. Looking at the appearance of this machine, we can find the color is very special and attractive, the original blue. Humanized the design of the cab. The wide front windshield and sunroof provide the driver with more space and visibility. In addition, air conditioning and a touch radio are provided to ensure a comfortable driving experience. It is equipped with KUBOTA engine to providing strong power. The power is 18.2 kilowatts. It is equipped with high-performance hydraulic system and relevant elements. The composite actions of boom, arm, and bucket and swing motors are harmonic and smooth. It has the highest performance among all excavators with the same weight. We can see the zero tail swing in the arm deviation, designed for narrow and complex works environment. For example, when it is walking near the base of a wall, it can walk directly. The structure is flexible without the need to move. So this is all of my introduction of this excavator. So see you next time.